Lkmt Alkady. A dessert from Egypt. Serves 4. You will need 11 ingredients. Step 1. To make the syrup, add sugar to water, stir on mild heat stove until dissolve. Add lemon juice and cook until it boil. Use minimum heat until it gets viscous and thick, about 30 minutes. Step 2. Allow it to cool to room temperature. To make Lkmt Alkady, add vanilla. Mix flour with the water until it becomes dough. Add yeast to the dough and mix well. Leave the dough in a warm area for about 2 hours. Cover it with a cloth until the dough expands. Step 3. Cut the dough with a small scoop or a teaspoon. Step 4. Heat the oil and fry the scooped dough until light brown. Step 5. Put the hot cooked sow immediately in the cold syrup, mix well for a minute. Cover it with aluminum foil. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.